Hello, everyone. Today we are gonna take a look on Grok, and it has a very specific feature that I actually want to talk about. So you can actually create PDFs straight from Grok. So we're gonna say, make an invoice from a, let's say, laundry, and we're gonna say professional, and we're gonna say output in PDF, and this is where the secret actually is. This output in PDF changes everything because as soon as we send it, keep in mind this trick only works in a computer. It doesn't work on a cell phone, on a mobile yet. But here we go. As soon as we put output in PDF, this is gonna call Grok Studio. That is this little thing over here that now you have two columns, the chat and the canvas section, if you are familiar with that in ChatGPT. But here, instead of a canvas, here is actually an agent of AI selecting what next steps to do. So here's starting the document, defining the head there, and then all the next steps that it took this model pretty much to create something as a agent. You can also take a look of the code if you want to go a little deeper into that. But here you have a working PDF. As you can see, I pretty much love it. You can make invoices straight from Grok if you already have some custom instructions, for example, and then go here. You just go ahead and download the PDF, or we can say change it instead of a laundry is an airline. And we're gonna try something a little more crazy here. We're gonna call ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask for an image for 40, and I'm gonna say give me a logo for a, let's say, hospital. All right, well, this is working. I'm gonna just put it on this corner over here. And then here we go. We have a whole new invoice, but now is as a PDF for an airline. As we can see, there were different documents that we did, and now Grok went ahead, did all the tasks again while we were discussing the ChatGPT, and then he gave us this beautiful PDF. What we're gonna try right now, and I haven't tried this yet, as I'm recording it, we're gonna get an image as a logo, and we're gonna pass that image and ask for that to be put as a footer or in the header of the document. So also here, what you see is ChatGPT trying to create two images. You might be wondering why two images, and is because two things: either OpenAI is testing a new model, and this could be a new model of image generation, and this is the old one, or it's just simple A/B testing, meaning that they just want to see what the user prefers the most, so they can keep enhancing their models, right? So far, I probably am gonna like this one more. This one looks too AI. I'm just gonna put I prefer. Oh, there you go. Anyways, I'm gonna choose this image right now. Okay, I'm just gonna snip it real quick for this purpose, and I'm gonna throw it in the chat with Grok. I'm gonna leave ChatGPT as well, and then here I'm gonna say use this logo on the top left of the PDF and change the whole invoice as if it's a hospital bill. There you go. So now we are going to send. This is new. I don't know if this is actually going to work, but let's take a look. Apparently, it's not working because it's already trying to create some images, which is not something that I asked. So that's a good point. You cannot add images for the PDFs, but imagine how many things you can actually do if you are using PDFs. As you can see, this didn't work at all, clearly. Um, Instead of putting the image here, it created a new one. Finally, I'm going to show you a little trick. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this, for example, and I'm going to send that on Twitter from my phone. And the way I do that is actually, I'm going to open the phone mirroring app. My phone is already on Twitter where I'm going to post this. This person works in XAI and he was actually posting these PDF features. That's how I found out. And then I'm going to send that We are gonna grab this photo that we just took. We're gonna drop it here, and that's it. I don't have to send it through my iPhone through AirDrop or anything else. It's already here, and it's gonna pretty much be saved as the post. So this is a great way to multitask if you have an iPhone and a Mac. Once we have the PDF like this, and it provides us what we are pretty much looking for, double click or right click and open with preview. Once it's open with preview, then that's it. You already have your PDF here, and you can confirm in the name like that. As you can see, is that PDF, and that's pretty much it. You already have your whole PDF that you can create straight from Grok. Hope you like it. See you in the next one.